if you want to get the Netflix app on your dock here, as you can see, I'm on my MacBook desktop and I have the Netflix app on my dock. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to add it yourself on macOS. Now, as you can see here, I have the Netflix website opened. Now, prior to macOS 14 Sonoma and the newer versions of Safari, you would basically need to like drag the URL to your desktop, creating an icon or like an HTML page, changing the icon, adding it to your dock, which involved lots of steps. Now, in macOS Sonoma or higher in newer versions of Safari, there is a better, easier way, quicker way to do so. Now, here go to Netflix website right here. As you can see, I'm on the Netflix homepage. And from Safari, now I need to mention that you need to use Safari to do so. You cannot do so with Google Chrome or any other browser. Now with Safari opened and the Netflix homepage open, simply go to File and then here click on Add to Dock. You'll get an option to change the name. And as you can see, the icon is generated automatically for you, which is pretty cool. So I'll just delete all that and keep the name as Netflix, simply Netflix. And you can edit the URL right here and simply click on Add. And just like that, if I go to my dock, as you can see, the Netflix app is now added to the dock. And if I click on it, it'll open Safari and go directly to Netflix.